जय जगन्नाथ। आपण मैंने कौन भी सेमिति भूल काम करेनि 3 मार्च रे और कौन अन्न ग्रहण भी करेनि। जदि आपण करेंगे तेने आपण प्रति बहुत बड़ विपद आसीपे। से दिन आमर प्रथम चंद्र ग्रहण आउ प्रेग्नेंट पीरियड समय रे आपण बिल्कुल भी बाहर को जीवे नहीं, बहुत ही विपद हो पारे।
Do not make the mistake of eating anything on this 3rd of March. It is the first Purna Chandra Grahan visible in India and the longest of the calendar year. The Grahan starts at 3:20 pm, continues till 6:47 pm and the Sutak Kal starts 9 hours before at 6:20 am itself. After which we should close the temples of our home, should not do the spursh of any Vigraha Murti, should avoid travelling at any expense and especially women going through pregnancy or menses should stay away from raising.
नॉर्मली मुझे सब गुड़ाक किसी विश्वास कैनि किंतु आमे जिते जिते बड़ होचे सेते सेते आम निजको प्रोटेक्ट करवा ना। सो मुझे विश्वास करुच्ची तेणुकरिका ए भाई कौन कहते चलते शुणा।
Children or elderly should keep fast. Almost every Rashi is negatively affected as a result of this eclipse, and to keep your family protected, learn this special Ma Tara Mudra, which is made by closing in your first and middle finger by the thumb and placing it to your heart. Ma Tara, see